Hey guys, today on CandyToyBox, I'm going to show you how to plant a plant in a pot, or replant a plant. First, you will need potting soil and your pot. Now you want to fill the pot around halfway. Once you have filled it with enough dirt, then you want to make a shallow hole in the middle of the dirt that doesn't go all the way to the bottom, so there's still dirt on the bottom, and push the dirt up along the sides. Then you want to take the plant that you are planting in the pot, and gently loosen the roots a little bit, and then place the plant into the hole that you made in the pot. Then you will fill it up with potting soil and go around the plant, pushing down the dirt so that it is packed in nice and tight. Then you want to give your plant some water and place it near a window where it can get lots of sunshine. And then watch it grow. When the soil feels dry,